gross. I'm trying to make a cute video and there's bird poop all over the windshield. You're currently heading to the land for the first time since we closed. Woohoo! What do you think? 2 thumbs up. Bears are currently on the land still, and as you can hear, there's a little bit of a sound of a dog, and we're wondering when he's gonna stop barking at us because we want to go to sleep. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Through our first night on the farm. I don't know why I said made it through. It wasn't some type of hard extenuating circumstance, but it was not as easy as maybe I thought going in. It's a lot of logistic things that like within the van that are kind of a challenge, like washing the dishes when the van is winterized. Like playing Cattopoly with a tiny table. It's like a version of Monopoly, and we have no room to like put the game pieces and all the other things. I didn't know you were moving in. Currently carving out a little space on the trail that's going to be used for a little Taekwondo training platform. Cute.
You want the shovel?
Why?